You spend 4 hours cleaning data, write the perfect Python script, found the insight, and then you exported it as a static PDF. Your stakeholders opened it once and never looked at it again. Today I'm going to show you how to turn that exact script into a live, interactive web app within 10 minutes, without writing a single line of HTML or CSS. Okay, we all know the Jupyter Notebook problem. You send a notebook or a PDF report, and the stakeholder instantly replies, "Hey, can you run this again?" But the last month, because they cannot explore the data themselves, you end up becoming a human query engine. It's time consuming, and honestly, we can do it better. The solution is Streamlit. It's a Python library designed specifically into building data web apps. You don't need React, you don't need CSS. It's pure Python. But to me, it's absolutely frictionless. We are pairing Streamlit with Gemini right alongside VS Code. It do the heavy lifting. I prompted with convert this Python script into a Streamlit app and had the slider bar date filter, made the charts update live based on the filter, and add API summary row at the top, keep all existing logic instant. And here's the magic. I have basic data script here. I'm going to copy it to Gemini and give it this exact part. Now for the best part, open your terminal in VS Code and type streamlit run app.py. Boom. Your browser opens and you have fully functional web app. Check out this filter via Jimmy the Bill. As I move the slider, the charts upgrade instantly. The KPI now reflects the exact data slice. This is new Deliverable. It's clean, it's professional, and it's completely interactive. When you deliver an app, stakeholders feel like they own the data. They stop asking for simple pull requests and start finding their own insights. Have you used Streamlit before? Drop a yes or no in the comments.